Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we will have problem number 36. Problem number 36, it talks about that the restaurants in California, it's example, okay? That the restaurants in California charge 10% services fee and 16% sales tax. So I want you to write a program to read the bill, okay? And add the 10% of the service fee. So when you get the result of the bill plus the 10% of services, then add on the results the 16% of the sales tax. So take the bill amount, bill value, and add to it the 10% services fee. And when we get the result, we want to add the 16% of the sales tax. Okay, so the 16%, it will not just be added on the total value or total bill. No, it will be added on the total bill plus the 10% of services fee. Okay, so if the user insert $100, for example, or the total B value was $100, the output it should to be 127.6. So now let's go to Visual Studio, convert these requirements to the code. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 36. It's to read the bill and add the services fee and the sales tax to it. So first we create this function, or we reuse this function, read positive number. We already used it many times in our previous problems. It's already a generic function. You just take the question and customize it down in a main function as we want. Okay, first let's do run to understand the program before we go to explain its code. Perfect. Once we did run, the compile display for me this question. Please insert the total bill. If I said 0, wrong. The compile display for me again the question. Why? Because here we put the validation, we use do while loop to catch the user in case the user insert any negative numbers from 0 and down. We don't want any negative numbers because the function name read positive numbers. The bill should to be positive number. Okay, so if the user, or in case the user insert by mistakes negative numbers, we will catch the user inside the do while loop until insert positive number. So again, the command display for me the question. Please insert the total bill. Let's say it's 100. Perfect. The combine bread for me total bill, it's 100. That's perfect. That's what we insert now. And also said the total bill after adding services fee and sales tax equal 127.6. Perfect. So how we gonna solve this problem? First, as we said, we use this read positive number function, in generic function, and let's start from the main function. First, we define float data type and we declare a variable name total bill equal read positive numbers. We use this generic function and we customize our question. Please insert the total bill. Actually, all this line of code, I didn't change it at all from the previous problem. Even the question, it's fit for this problem solution, so I leave it as it. I didn't customize or change anything in the question. So that's what we called it reusability. Okay, all this line of code we use it as it. All this line of code, not just even the function, now is reusability. And after that we print the total bill, because read positive number, it will hold for us the value or the number that the user is going to insert. For example, 100, it will be stored inside the number variable that we declared inside the read positive numbers. Let's open it just to remember it. Float number equals 0, do cout question, cn, store the number inside the number, and check if the number negative number. Please again display the question for the user on the screen. If it's not, return please the number, if it's 100 for example, or positive number. So hold this read positive number function, it will hold for us the number, and we want to assign it or store it inside total bill. So total bill, it will hold for us the number that the user inserted. We just want to call it here to print it. Cout less than total bill equal, we call total bill, it will print for us 100 /n new line, and after that we write this string cout less than total bill after adding services fee sales tax. We call this function that we name it the receipt after adding service and sales tax or tax, and name it like this. It takes the bill and add the services fee and tax. Let's go for it. This is the function as we said it now, the receipt after adding services and tax. It takes the total bill, which is the number. We just name it here total bill in the parameter. It's from float data type. Let's open it. Total bill equal total bill multiply 1.10. 1.10 or even 1.1, it's 10%. We're adding 10% now to total bill. And we take the result, we say total bill equal total bill multiply 1.16. We're adding now 16% on the 110, not on the 100, on the 110. Okay, after we get the result, when we're adding services fee 10%, we take 110, and after that we're adding 16% on the 110. It gives us the result and we store it inside total bill, so we return total bill. Let's do again run, check it out. Perfect. For the second time we did run, please insert the total bill. Let's say it's -9. I'll display again the question because I should insert the positive numbers. All right, number 100, total bill equal 100. The total bill after adding service fee and sales tax 120 7.6. Perfect. So that was problem number 36. It's to read the bill and add service fee and sales tax to it. This is the code. Look at it. Practice, 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 please. Don't just pass it. Don't say okay. This read positive number is generic function. Already write it million times. No need to write it. And this is just a small line of code inside this function. No need to write it. No need to practice on this code at all. No, please don't do this. I'm begging you. Don't do this. Practice, practice, practice. Put your hands on the code, even if it's small, even if it's stupid, even if you understand it. Please put your hands and practice, practice, practice. Anything in the world, if you want to be a pro in it, you have to practice it a lot. Okay, see you next lesson, see you next problem. Ciao.